Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your Reticle or your site in Warzone 3. Now it's an extremely easy process. Now in order to do that, all you would do is press escape or just simply go to your option menu, then go to the interface section. Over there in interface section you will find the HUD option. Now just simply scroll down in the HUD option and you will find the crosshair settings. Now if you want to disable your crosshair completely, just simply click on the drop down box and choose off. That will completely remove your crosshair, as you can see right over here. And now if you just simply want a red dot, you can also do that. So for that, go to static, then click on show more, then enable the red dot right over here. And that will show you a red dot, as you can see right over here. If you don't want the red dot, again just simply turn that particular setting off right over here, and that will remove your center dot, as you can see right over here. Now you can also make your crosshair static, as you can see right over here. You will have few multiple options. If you click on show more, you will be able to see them right over here. So for that, first enable your red dots, then you will be able to see that you can enlarge your red dot, as you can see right over here. As you can see, now your center dot is much larger. So that's all the customizations that you can do on Warzone 3 with your Reticle or crosshair. So that is it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.